Solidarity is the feeling of unity and support among people who share common goals or face similar challenges. It involves standing together and helping each other, often in times of difficulty or injustice. The concept of solidarity has its roots in both philosophy and social movements. It emerged strongly during the labour movements of the 19th century, when workers united to fight for better working conditions and fair treatment. Solidarity means recognising that people's struggles are interconnected and that working together can lead to positive change. One example of solidarity can be seen in the civil rights movement in the United States during the 1960s. People of different races, backgrounds, and beliefs came together to fight for equal rights and an end to racial segregation. Marches, sit-ins, and demonstrations showed solidarity among individuals who believed in justice and fairness for all, even if they were not personally affected by discrimination. Another example is the global response to natural disasters, such as when countries and organisations work together to provide aid. After a major earthquake or hurricane, solidarity is shown through donations, volunteers, and coordinated efforts to help those in need. This collective action demonstrates how solidarity can unite people across the world to address crises and provide support. Solidarity has many benefits for individuals and communities. It creates a sense of belonging and mutual support, helping people feel less isolated in their struggles. When people work together toward a shared goal, they can achieve more than they could alone. Solidarity also builds stronger communities by fostering trust and cooperation. For example, when workers unite to demand better conditions, their combined efforts can lead to fair wages and improved safety, benefiting everyone involved. On a larger scale, solidarity can drive social and political change. By uniting people with shared values, it amplifies their voices and increases the likelihood of being heard by those in power. Movements for human rights, environmental protection, and labour reforms have all succeeded because of solidarity among individuals who believed in the same cause. While solidarity is often seen as positive, it is not without criticisms. One challenge is that solidarity can sometimes exclude those who do not share the same views or goals. In some cases, groups may form strong bonds within their own cause, but refuse to work with others, even when collaboration could lead to greater progress. For example, different environmental groups might focus on separate issues, such as deforestation or clean energy, but struggle to cooperate, limiting the overall impact of their efforts. Another criticism is that solidarity can sometimes lead to conflict when it creates an us versus them mentality. When a group becomes overly focused on its own goals, it may clash with others who have different priorities or beliefs. This division can make it harder to find common ground and work towards solutions that benefit everyone. For instance, in political movements, competing groups with shared general goals may weaken their cause by refusing to compromise.